How to fix iPhone swipe up not working. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'll guide you through some simple steps to fix the issue of your swipe up not working. First things first, you can always start by restarting your phone by swiping down from the right side, and then you'll see a power button. Tap on it and restart your phone. Sometimes a simple restart can fix a lot of issues. However, if that doesn't work, then you can go to your settings and then tap on control center and make sure the access within apps is toggled on. And the next step is to go to your Face ID and passcode, and then you have to enter your current password first, and then scroll down until you find control center. Make sure that it is toggled on. This will help you fix a lot of issues. However, if this doesn't help, then what you can do is go to general and then swipe down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. This is the solution when nothing works. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.